using AI and 5-axis lasers. Did you know a diamond has to travel a 3 billion yield journey from deep within the Earth?
Today, we go from 1,000 meters underground.
Welcome to the most magical journey on Earth.
The resistivity suggests a clear boundary right here. See the shift at 900 meters. Yes, the seismic data aligns perfectly. We should focus within the target depth.
Planes equipped with magnetic sensors scan areas of 500 square kilometers a day.
Got a good layer here.
Okay, I've got the bag ready.
An exploration drill goes 1,000 meters deep to confirm the reserves.
Every centimeter of these core samples is inspected.
3D mapping technology creates a precise blueprint of the entire mine.
A $500 million investment decision is made based on this data.
After 3 years of surveying, mining officially begins. This is the third largest open pit mine in the world.
Step 1. Drilling hundreds of 15-meter deep holes in a precise grid pattern.
Each hole is loaded with 50 kilograms of ANFO explosives, timed to detonate in sequence.
The entire area is evacuated in a 2-kilometer radius.
A single blast breaks 50,000 tons of kimberlite rock. This 400-ton excavator is the largest in the world, with a 45 cubic meter bucket. The trucks can carry 300 tons of ore in a single trip. Every day, 200 trips transport 60,000 tons of ore. An automatic sprinkler system keeps the dust under control. Each truck is automatically weighed and tracked via GPS. The ore is dumped into a massive hopper with a 5,000-ton capacity. The primary crusher reduces boulders into manageable chunks. Miles of conveyor belts transport the ore to the main plant. Scrubbers wash away clay and dust, leaving only clean rock. Secondary crushers reduce the ore to pebbles, carefully avoiding diamond damage. Now for the magic trick: dense media separation. Diamonds are heavier than rock. We use a heavy liquid to make rocks float and diamonds sink. A mixture of ferrosilicon powder creates a liquid with the perfect density. Centrifugal force accelerates the separation process.
The concentrate enters the high security zone. No human hands touch it here.
The concentrate must be perfectly dry for the X-ray machines.
Diamonds have a unique property. They fluoresce under X-rays.
While rocks remain dark, diamonds glow bright blue. Instantly, a jet of air kicks the diamond into a secure collection bin.
For smaller stones, we use an old trick, the grease table.
Diamonds repel water but stick to grease. wet rocks just slide away.
It captures the stones that X-rays might miss.
The captured stones are boiled in acid to reveal their true form. Here is the day's harvest. They look like cloudy glass shards.
Final sorting happens in sealed glove boxes. Theft is impossible. They are sieved into size groups, from sand grains to large stones. Every single carat is counted, weighed, and registered. Sealed in tamper-proof canisters.
Transported by helicopter to the sorting center.
But finding them is only half the story. Now, they must be cut. Welcome to the Cutting Center, where art meets science. Before touching a laser, deep boiling removes every microscopic impurity. The Galaxy machine maps the stone's interior with medical precision.
It spots every crack and carbon spot invisible to the naked eye.
AI algorithms calculate thousands of cutting plans to maximize value.
The goal: get the biggest, flawless stone possible.
The cut lines are laser etched onto the surface. Stones are mounted into cassettes for the green laser saw. Traditional saws take hours. The green laser takes minutes.
It vaporizes the carbon atoms, slicing the hardest material on Earth.
5-axis technology allows for complex, non-straight cuts.
It separates the main gem from the waste inclusions.
A quick acid bath reveals the clean shape.
Next is bruting, using one diamond to shape another.
This process creates the perfectly round girdle of the stone.
Even the dust is valuable. It's collected for industrial tools.
Finally, the stone reaches the master polisher.
The scaf wheel spins at 3,000 RPM, coated with diamond dust and olive oil.
The stone is clamped into a mechanical arm called a tang.
Only diamond can cut diamond.
The first step is blocking, creating the primary 18 facets. He checks the angles. They must be accurate to within 1/10 of a degree.
Then brillianteering adds the remaining facets, bringing the total to 57.
The cloudy rock has vanished. Only light remains.
One final acid bath removes the polishing oil, revealing the true fire.
Now, the stone enters the grading lab to be judged on the 4 C's.
First C, carat. Measure to the 5th decimal point.
Second C, color. From D, colorless, to Z, light yellow.
The less color, the higher the value.
Third C, clarity. Searching for nature's fingerprints.
Tiny flaws called inclusions determine if it's flawless or included.
Fourth and most important, cut. It determines the sparkle.
Perfect symmetry creates the coveted hearts and arrows pattern.
Laser scanners measure every facet angle to the micro degree.
Finally, a unique serial number is laser inscribed on the girdle. Invisible to the naked eye, this is the diamond's fingerprint.
The grading report is the passport for this gemstone.
Sealed for security, it is now ready for the jeweler.
But a diamond needs a home. It starts with a 3D design.
A high-resolution 3D printer creates a wax replica. Molten 18-karat gold fills the mold, replacing the wax.
The rough gold is buffed to a mirror finish.
The stage is set.
With steady hands, the diamond finds its forever home. The prongs are bent to lock the stone securely in place.
A loose stone is a lost stone. It must be tight.
Ultrasonic waves remove the jeweler's fingerprints.
A final blast of steam, and it wakes up.
From the dirt of the mine to a symbol of eternity.
Packed in velvet, ready for a high-stakes journey.
Diamonds are transported in armored convoys with military-grade security.
Before reaching the store, they sleep in the world's most secure vaults. A global relay race spanning 4 continents.
Finally, the showroom floor.
Under 5,000 Kelvin lighting, the cut quality is undeniable.
I can't believe it. It's beautiful. Will you marry me? Yes. Oh my God, yes.
The hardest natural material in the universe. It never wears down.
Not just for jewelry. 80% of diamonds are used for industry.
Today, we can even replicate nature's pressure in a lab.
From the master polisher's wheel,
Through the 5-axis laser saws. Back through the X-ray sorters. Reassembling the crushed rock.
All the way back to the deep earth. It takes thousands of skilled hands to uncover this beauty.
A masterpiece of nature, perfected by man.
Would you choose natural or lab-grown? Let us know in the comments. Next time, we explore the fiery world of glass manufacturing. Subscribe and hit the bell for more industrial secrets.